Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be trying this new place here in the city of Southgate called Mighty Birds. If you are new here, my name is Carlos Wolfs. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you already haven't subscribed to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. So with that being said, let's go in. Here waiting for our food. Take off your mask. Take off your mask. It's so nice in here. Like, I love the little table. Super cute.
Hero concept.
First time trying it. You excited?
This better be good.
I think it's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be good. Like, they have a whole bunch of like spicy levels of chicken and sauces and all this stuff, and I'm so excited.
And so we can handle the ghost pepper, habanero.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
I'm kind of nervous for the spiciness of the chicken.
You got it. You got it.
That's what we said last time, and your ass was fucking bitching out. Like, oh, this is hot. No, with the, what was it?
The peanuts.
The peanuts. Oh, that was like not the business. Our stomach was hurting and everything, so.
We had to drink a whole cup of milk.
Oh my glasses.
So yes, stay tuned to see how good this is. It is called Mighty for a reason.
Okay guys, so we finally got our food. We are so excited to try this. Chicken tenders, chicken sandwiches from Mighty Birds. They're located here in the city of
Southgate.
So we got a whole bunch of food. We have like a whole bunch of different like spicy levels. I am so excited, but I'm a little nervous because we got like the spiciest one like ever, like super spicy. Like, I think it has like ghost pepper and Carolina Reaper and all this stuff. So let's go ahead and try it out. Okay, so what are we trying first?
I think we should do the fries.
The little logos. Oh, this is the fries, huh?
This is the fries.
Okay, this is the fries. Okay. So we get the fries and we got our lemonades. Cheers. I got strawberry lemonade. She got the regular lemonade. They're like freshly squeezed. They do their lemonade here.
Cheers.
Let's try it. It's good.
Yeah, mine's just like.
I like it because it's not sweet.
Yes, that's what I was about to say.
It's not sweet?
It's not sweet. It tastes like lemon. Obviously, it's lemonade, but it doesn't taste fake lemonade.
Yeah.
Like.
I like it.
So I guess it's true. They do make their own lemonade.
Yep. Okay, let's try our fries.
I guess so.
Oh my god! Jelly! Oh, this does look so bomb, dude. So bomb.
And these were mild?
Oh, and this is the mild.
Mild, okay.
So they put fries, the chicken tenders, and the coleslaw, and pickles, and the fries, of course. So, let's dig in. Oh my god, the chicken looks so tendery, dude. I need some fries.
Try the chicken. Has a lot of flavor. Lots of flavor.
It's so juicy.
Yes.
Actually, they're
It's so good. It was worth the wait.
Dude, and I'm not like a big coleslaw person, but it's good. With the coleslaw. Look at the chicken.
You like pickles? No? It's so good with them. With chicken, I love it. Because last time you ate mushroom and you didn't like it. What do you think?
She's always making me try like like mix it, eat it. Like last time she made me try mushrooms, and I was like, I can't. And I tried it, and it was so good. Which one do you think looks? Oh, look, you guys. Let's show them.
They're good size.
They give you like a little bread so you can eat it. That's so cute. Okay, so we're gonna try it. Open up some sausage, girl. Hurry, cause I'm hungry. Okay, they give you one of each, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, they did. Okay, here.
I like.
Here, you go. I'm making her open my own sauce.
Yeah, like dude.
I'm like, girl.
Relax. I'm gonna try with the fry.
Oh yeah, let's try with a fry. Wait, you didn't even wait. You saw that? Damn, she hungry.
I love this sauce. I think this is. Was this the one that she said based on Chipotle or?
I think so. It has to be. Yeah, the sauce is good. It's like very light. Look at you eating your fries with a fork, and I'm over here eating with my fingers. Okay, get your.
Oh, the chicken.
Wait, it's one of each, no? So we're gonna have to get half. Yeah, it is. Cause there's 6 different ones, so we get half.
Okay, I got this piece.
Oh, I know. Cut another bigger piece. They look so tendery. Like, grab with your finger.
I know, but I'm trying to like get this out.
Girl, she taking for damn ever. Okay.
There.
Smell it? Okay, so which one do you think this one is?
I think this is the regular.
Okay. Hey, we're gonna try with all the sauces.
I like this sauce a lot. Even though I feel like this is
so tendery, like the chicken tender.
juicy.
Tender and juicy. Okay. Dip. Damn. Okay.
Cream salsa. If I could put it to you guys, it'd be like green salsa for tacos.
Oh. Okay. Okay. The next one.
Me like hungry at the
Okay, here's another one.
I think those are the same flavors, dude. Tastes different or the same? Be honest.
A little more spicy. Oh.
Maybe, yeah. On this one, we didn't get the.
Yeah, I feel it. Yeah.
Yeah?
These are my mocos. Oh, baby. I need some bread. That's super good.
So now these are the.
Oh my gosh.
The smell of the chile.
Oh yeah. Okay, which one's next?
Okay.
Let's try which one?
Honey. No wait.
Yeah, it's honey hot. Hot honey. Oh, I keep saying honey hot. It's hot honey.
Okay, and she asked me, "Do you want more salt?" Honey is so good. Honey.
This one's my favorite so far. The honey one is like the sweet. I like this one. Look at my fingers.
I'm telling you, it's like
you guys have to
honey, spicy, and juicy.
Yeah. But okay, next one is
hot.
Hot. Careful, you're gonna splash it in my eye.
I should have had
Splash
gloves.
it. Splash it. Okay, water. Oh, I want this one. You guys, these tenders are like the juiciest I've ever eaten. Like, they're so juicy. Let me see. I want to see you guys get a closer look. Look how juicy they are.
They're juicy and crispy.
Go.
Juicy and crispy.
This looks so
Okay,
good.
I'm gonna bite it.
Wait for me. I'm showing them. Look at, enjoy this view.
Dude, it's hot, spicy, hot, hot. Ready?
Okay, wait.
I can see all the spices there.
Cheers.
I didn't think it was gonna. I thought it was gonna be more spicier. It's kicking in.
Yeah. I mean, girl.
I thought it was a little bit spicier. Hot is. It's good. Honey hot is on top.
It's good, but it's not hot.
No.
Well, my tolerance for spiciness is really high, so.
Which is the next one. I want you to try it first, though.
No, stop. We're trying it together. Together. Damn, you have a shitload of napkins over there. She's a mocosa. Okay, here goes. Look at it. Damn.
I bit it.
Oof.
Dude. It's spicy too. Very spicy. I'm only taking one bite because I already know what.
Got me too.
Dude, give me some fries or something.
Oh.
I was too confident and took a big bite.
Oh my god, I took the big bite too. Fuck, it's so spicy, chili.
Are we gonna have to run?
Give me a napkin, please. Dude, no, fuck this. Oh my god.
Profit.
I want them to get the full experience with me. Oh my gosh. No. Oh, Shelly, you didn't even bite it? Did you bite it?
Yes, look at my eyes.
You don't have the same reaction as I do.
Get the lemonade, sip it, and use the lemonade in your mouth.
Oh my gosh, I'm crying. I need some ice. Oh my gosh.
Look at my eyes. Thank God I didn't put eyelashes on. And we've done the ghost pepper nuts. Similar.
Yeah.
My lips are burning. Dude, keep the lemonade in your mouth. It like cools it down. It's mental. Keep yourself calm.
Fuck. Shelly, this is so bad. My tongue is on fire.
My lips are on fire, dude.
No wonder it says eat at your own risk.
Throwing all the napkins on my feet.
Stop talking.
You
Stop.
The difference, keep calm.
I have to get out. I'm gonna stop.
No!
Oh.
You told me no the first time, so.
my goodness, guys. This is not a joke. This is not a fucking drill.
Alright, meanwhile, he gets over it.
Oh my
There's a burger.
Put it more back so you can see for the sun.
Do I think I... look, I touched my nose.
But my tongue is... It feels like it's throbbing.
That's how I feel my lips. My tongue, a little bit.
Oh, okay, then I must have gotten it in my tongue because I don't feel it in my lips.
Oh, I feel it all of this right here.
You see your lips?
Who's the one that has big lips?
Me. Guys, look at this beauty. Look at that.
You should have told me to cut it in half.
See if you get a little closer. Look at that.
That looks good, dude. That's a good pick.
That's like a good sandwich right there. Chili, you want to do the honors to take the first bite?
Yes, sir.
Take a big bite, like the biggest bite you have ever. No. Because then you're not going to leave me some. Take the biggest bite of your life. Damn, girl. Boys, you watching this? Okay, first impressions. Tell us, sis, what you feeling? Oh, she needs to swallow. Damn, she got no gag reflex.
I took a huge ass bite and looked so little.
I could take a bigger bite.
Okay, this is my bite.
Okay.
This side is gonna be his bite.
Okay, you have a napkin?
Boy, are you gonna make me go get more?
There has to be some. 1, 2. 1, 2.
It's fine. There. Look at his bite. No, you can't compare. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Okay. Wait, you scoot all of this on my side. So let's scoot this in. I'm sorry. Putting my fingers all over it. Leave in the comments below whose bite was bigger. This was... Okay, yeah, this was mine. Look, you can see from there. This is mine, and this is his. So down below, leave in the comments which one got the biggest bite.
Obviously mine. Look at yours, swallowed it all.
This is mine. This is yours. You put it in the bottom. I put it on top. So, there you go. I think you could get like...
She got a weak bite.
Like 9 bites out of this to finish the whole thing.
God, dude, the cute guy that had walked in there.
He opened the door for me.
Oh, bitch, he looked at me.
How is he gonna be?
He did, because I was like, damn, there goes the cute. And then he was like straight out looked at me, and I was like,
he was with his girlfriend.
Soon to be ex.
Imagine him watching the video. You know who you are.
Damn. Baba's not gonna let me hang out with you anymore because you're over here making me be a hoe.
If he only knew.
Stop burning me out.
Okay, that's it. Very good. I really like this one so much. A lot.
I love it. Why did you make that face? Because I moaned?
I wasn't even thinking about that, but now that you...
She was like...
I
like this angle. This is my favorite sauce. It's so good, Chelly. It is one.
It's really good. The coleslaw.
With the pickle. We don't have napkins, so.
And I feel like they season their fries before throwing them in. I don't know.
Mm.
No. Food porn.
Bomb.
Oh, I threw my straw. Oh no, that's mine.
So good. You want another bite?
No, I'm full already.
Okay, what was your favorite part?
Everything's good. Top, the fries, and the honey. Those were my top favorite.
The honey hot.
It's so good.
Mine was the fries and the burger and honey hot.
I mean, that's all we got, right? Everything.
No, well, I mean, as like the flavors, like everything was my favorite. What did you get? Everything.
I'm done because I'm full, dude. We got a bunch. The chicken tenders are good size.
The chicken tenders.
Tenders, I said.
You said chicken tenders.
You play.
Well, we got chicken tenders. I don't know where you got denders from. She liked the chicken tender, guys. They don't have denders here. They have tenders. I'm really full.
Yeah, and then they give you your extra sauce. So you guys should come and check it out.
Okay, guys. So
That's
this
a wrap.
was so good. Highly recommended. Do you recommend this place?
100% yes.
So good.
Honey. Hot honey.
Honey hot.
Honey hot.
Oh, hot honey.
That, like I said.
Here you go, guys.
Oh, those are all the flavors.
These are all the flavors. You see hot honey? That was my favorite one.
Fries are so good.
Yes, they're so good. Come check them out. City of Southgate by Florence. And
We are not on Florence. We are on Firestone and Garfield. Thank you.
okay, good. Okay, guys. So you guys come check them out. It's so good. They're in the city of
Southgate, Firestone, and Garfield.
There you go. You guys heard it. We're gonna go ahead and tag them here. Follow them. Come get your food, your sandwiches, tenders. They're so good, super juicy. And I will see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Peace out.